So as a broker then, when you think about leveraging technology, obviously you want really good solutions to be able to manage your business, right? To be able to optimize performance of your sales and marketing, to have agent accountability, and visibility of your business as a whole, right? But having best of breed technology solutions and tools for your agents that help them to be competitive in a tight market can also be a powerful recruiting tool as well.
The best recruiting tool, honestly. The failure, and I've heard some different views of this recently. Some people are saying that, well, brokers should be able to go out and buy one piece of technology here, one piece of technology here, one piece of technology here, and it doesn't matter if they're integrated. They're just kind of best of breed in what people are talking about, right? But what the problem there is that when you're thinking about agents and some of them aren't as technologically advanced as they should be, logging into those and training on those systems becomes more of a problem than, because you need to set up different training sessions with different people, different organizations. So instead of saying, okay, we've got one training session this week, we've got 4 or 5 because we have so much different stuff going on. Whereas if you can find a technology solution that has 90% of what you're looking for built in and is easy to use, I think you're way better off that way. So, it all started with, back in the day, CRM. And I always make this comment when I'm speaking, is that Outlook and Gmail aren't CRM.
Sure.
Right, they're email clients, right? But a lot of people look at that, it's a database of some form, so they call it a CRM. Anyway, it all started with CRM, customer relationship, marketing, and customer service. Basically, that's what you're getting, right? And it now has expanded into other things, social media, advertising, the SEO, the pay-per-click that we talked about before, back-end transaction management, the virtual tools built in where you have access to anything you can possibly need as a realtor in one system. I always say 90% because typically you're going to find 10% somewhere else anyway. It doesn't matter what, there's something that you prefer out there. But if you can get pretty much a full platform in one place, for me, that's the best place to go because it's one login, it's one solution, it's one training session, all combined into one.